Disclaimer, no cameras, computers, or other expensive shit was harmed in the making of this video. The only thing you would need is a smartphone and a thumb. A smartphone to make the thumbnail and a thumb to like this video. Literally, it's free, my nigga. Bruh. Yes sir, y'all read the title right. We got the part 3, the final part, the finale of my thumbnail series. As y'all can see from this title, as y'all can see from this thumbnail, we about to show y'all how to make the absolute best, my opinion of course, thumbnails on YouTube. And it's easy. All you need is one of these. All you need is a phone. All you need is probably an iPhone. I don't know about Android. If I got an Android user watching this, drop in the comments if y'all got these apps, because I honestly don't know. Let's get right up into this video. Before we start this video, like it, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the drill. Let's get right to it. Yes, Before we can start the thumbnail, we got to take the picture. I already done took my picture. I took it when I got off from work. Don't mind the picture. It's ugly. Everybody can't be blessed with dashing good looks, so we got to work with what we got. You see what I'm saying? And I'm pretty sure all y'all not beautiful, so let's work with what we got, y'all. You know what I mean? Let me start the screen recording. First app you gonna need, say this every time, first app you gonna need, man. Superimpose X, launch Superimpose. Press the plus, photos, boom. This what we got, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we can't all be beautiful, you know what I'm saying? So, what you wanna do? 16 by 9. Y'all already know what's going on. That's YouTube dimensions. I'ma go slow. Even though y'all pick up y'all fast learning, I'ma go slow. I'ma crop it right there. Boom. 16 by 9 YouTube dimensions. We're gonna press check. Once we press check, we're gonna duplicate. Tap it. To duplicate it, tap it. Duplicate layer. Then we're gonna add the plus, photo layer, colors. And as y'all can see, I already got my color set to like this pinkish. This really does not matter. We just doing this so we can see the background layer. Alright, boom. Got our color set to the pinkish. We're going to pick 16 by 9 just because that's a YouTube dimension again. Press the check. Once we got it in there, y'all going to see it's on top. But we want it sandwiched between our two layers. So we're going to sandwich it like that. Once we sandwich it, transform, fit to the layer, fit to canvas. As y'all can see, I just fitted the canvas. That means it's over everything. So we're going to sandwich it again, and we're going to get to the spot that we want. Now that we're at the spot that we want right here at the top, this is the layer we want. We're going to go to Mask, Mask Tool, and we're going to click the third Mask Tool, like always. This has been the same in my previous videos, you know what I mean? And basically, we just going to cut out. The cutouts going to make your thumbnail. I'm going to tell y'all this right now. If y'all spend some time with y'all cutout, y'all thumbnail going to be legit. So you got to zoom in all the way right here, bro. Like this how far you gotta zoom in, bro. This is gonna take some time. It's not even gonna take that much time, bro. Bro, 10 minutes at the most. You know what I mean? 10 minutes at the most. Like y'all see how fast? I mean, it might be slow to you, but you just do that around everything, bro. You see how precise those cuts is, though? But basically, we're gonna get to y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done with this cutout, bro. Alright, y'all, back like we never left. As y'all can see, everything is completely cut out. So everything is completely cut out. From this step right here, all we want to do is start importing effects. All we got to do is start importing the effects, bro. So we're going to go to photos. As y'all can see, I have a thumbnail pack, bro. It's called in my gallery Avery B thumbnail pack. I'm going to try to find y'all a download link where you can download the thumbnail pack in the link in the description. But if not, same thing, hit me up on the gram and I'll send it to y'all, bro. Hit me up on the gram, search my gram at 1999, follow me on the gram, ask me for the thumbnail pack and I'm gonna ship y'all everything, bro. I'm gonna ship y'all either a link or I'm gonna send y'all all the pictures, bro. Easy as that, you know what I'm saying? So boom, we got the thumbnail pack. Boom, we gonna insert that. Boom, we gonna hit that check. Boom.
Bro, I'm really about to get you.
Let me stop. But boom. We're going to transfer. We're going to transform. Fit that to the base. Put that underneath. We got a little carnival going on. You know what I mean? We're going to get this layer right here. We're going to slide that underneath because we don't need that right now. We're going to do that. And we're going to layers. Blend that. Everything from now on is just blending, bro. I promise you. Everything is blending. So we're gonna put the screen blend on it. We're gonna hit it like that, transform. You know what I'm saying? By the way, if y'all already ain't know, I already made the thumbnail. I've made the thumbnail already. Right now, I'm just showing you how easy it is. I'm making it again. You feel me? If I can make it twice, y'all can make it once. Y'all can follow along if y'all want to at home. You know what I mean? So boom. We're gonna do it like that. Now, as y'all can see, we got the carnival going on back there. It's looking legit. We're gonna go down to our second layer that we haven't touched yet. We're gonna go over to filter, blur. And we're gonna blur that out. You know what I mean? So now you see me more. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. And then after that, we're gonna add some more. We're gonna add some more of our pack in here. Which one I wanna add? We're gonna add this right here. I like this effect. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna add it. Boom. We're gonna put that underneath. I like it right there, no cap. Add some more. We just keep adding. So if y'all want this thumbnail pack, let me know, bro. Boom. Boom. Transform. Feel. Boom. How that look? Look, it's straight. It's decent. We're gonna transform that though. Transform. I mean, we're gonna blend that, my bad. Blend. See what blends look good. I like the plus lighter blend. Yeah, I'm liking that. And then we can also bring back our color layer. Boom. We can also blend that color layer up. Everything is blending, bro. If y'all gotta rewind and see the blends, go ahead and rewind. It's like when you cutting hair and you blend it, you know what I mean? So all I'm doing right now is playing with the blends. That's all I'm doing. See what blend work for you, you know what I mean? All I'm doing is playing with the blends. Like, as y'all can see, it's really coming along. And it didn't even take that long, like, for real. So, after that, we're going to add a mask. After that, we're going to go to Tools. Add a mask outline. Color up the outline how you want it. That's straight. Then we're going to cast that shadow. And make sure y'all play around with it. As y'all can see, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, I'm just going. So make sure y'all play around with it. Make sure y'all play around with the different presets in the thumbnail pack. As y'all can see, this thumbnail is coming out great. So we're going to go back to add a new layer. We're going to go to the thumbnail pack once again. Add a check. I'm going to show y'all the trick too. First, we're going to flip it. We're going to flip it to how we want it. I like that right there. We're going to have it coming out the side like this. And now I'm about to show y'all this trick. You see how it's red, right? And this goes for anything in the thumbnail pack. If it's a color that you don't like, what we're going to do is click the layer, match color, and match it to a different layer. So, as y'all can see, it changed the color. And then we're going to do a match color on top of that, change it to this color. As y'all can see, it's making the colors different. So after that, we're going to cast a shadow on them. Turn this up a little bit, check, add a little bit more depth, go to mask outline, but make it black. Turn it down a little bit, check. Bro, 20 seconds, bro. Like, it took 5 minutes. Legit, it took like 5 minutes. We're gonna add another plus photo layers, and we're gonna add the border, because you know I like my borders. Transform, fit the canvas. Underneath me, cast shadow. As y'all can see, it's very repetitive. If y'all know how to do one thing, y'all gonna know how to do everything, bro. We can blend that a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'll be messing with that one. Oops, I didn't mean to press that. Whoa, what are we doing? Cast shadow. Blur them out. As you see, when you take it down and lower, it make it look different a little bit. Check. Like, bro, do y'all hear me right now? Like, you feel me? Do y'all hear me? So boom. After that, we gonna save that to photos. Save that to photos. Go to our trusty Phonto. Once we in Phonto, we gonna load the image. I already got the image, so I'm gonna say restore the previous state. All I did in here was add 2020, as y'all can see. Alright, I'm gonna show you everything. My text, I'm gonna show you the font. Hold on, let me show you the font. The font is Obelix Pro. I like Obelix Pro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but Obelix Pro. To get the gradient, we're gonna go to Style. We're gonna go to, it's gonna start off like this when you first open Style. Create color panel or palette, whatever it said. And these are 3 colors I got right here. Y'all can copy them colors down if y'all want. If y'all don't, you know what I'm saying? I'm showing y'all so I can show y'all everything. Cover all my bases. Put it in the corner. Boom. Done. You see what I'm saying? Now we gonna go to this. This is another tip right here. I'm about to put y'all on some sauce, like some secret sauce right now. Go to Lightroom. Lightroom is a free app. It make pictures pop, my nigga. You see what I'm saying? As y'all can see, this looks different from what we just had. So we gonna reset it. Oh, this is what we started out with. Lightroom, you basically playing with it. You know what I'm saying? You playing with the lights, bro. You know, you just gotta play with the lights. Play with the lights. And if y'all want to, hold on, let me reset that. But once you play with the lights, once you get it to how you know, it's really easy. Just play with everything. You're gonna find what you want. But what makes Lightroom very special and very easy, they have presets, bro. So I go to presets. These are all my presets that I didn't, you know what I'm saying, that I didn't have on my, like, this is how I edit pictures, bro, with Lightroom. So I already got a preset called thumbnail. You know what I mean? This preset right here is amazing. So as y'all can see, all I do is tap the thumbnail preset and we got us a thumbnail. Check. And this is basically it. This is the end of the video. This is my thumbnail that y'all seen on the video. This is so easy. So easy. So easy. So easy. If y'all like that video, go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me how you like this video. If y'all think this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? If y'all didn't think this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel because I got more content coming on the way. This is not my regular content. This is just feeding the streets. I need to feed the streets. I gotta feed the streets. So here y'all go. Anyways, we out.
Yeah, I got them stripes on my body, young nigga, I look like a tiger. I couldn't be higher. I got the car at the back, seeing I'm the designated driver. Don't try to play me, cause all of your niggas ain't bout it, and none of my niggas are fighters. And he not a trapper, I promise he never sell out. You need to go ahead and retire. Won't hear a response if it ain't about green. Can't talk to my girl, my shot it too mean.